Please don't leave, Kyle. Please, wait, please let me go!
Whoa, whoa, someone's shooting us.
Somebody's shooting at us.
Ow!
Don't be alarmed.
Oh!
Hi.
Hi. I'm out of here, bye.
Hi. I heard the door open and I freaked out.
Wow, this is just...
Yeah, there's a helicopter.
Oh, this looks cool.
Why am I starting the game in freak mode?
In freak mode?
I think he means, do you mean spectator or are you like... Oh, that's because you joined in after the game had started.
No, I was
Hey,
staying
Bob.
with the
I win! Thank you, Rob! Thank you, Rob!
I was
Thank
just finishing the round so everybody could get in. You big doofus. There's only 3 of us in.
Yeah, but I won.
Actually, I think there was 4 because there was Agent Bug, you, and Noble.
Nah, Noble didn't win though. Doesn't count.
It does. Totally does.
4 people doesn't count.
Yeah, 4 people doesn't count. It's not a full
Oh,
round.
okay. Oh, you're so
Sorry,
bad,
McCloud.
aren't you?
That door cannot open.
Doors don't open.
It only counts. if
No,
it's
it's
full
only
round.
that one doesn't open. Oh yeah, another thing. Hell yeah.
I would like to know who in this
and
room
zombie.
can I trust?
I'm in
you
this
can
room
trust
probably.
me.
I need a
You
weapon.
can trust me.
Hello.
I have.
Okay, if I can
Ow!
trust you so much, what's an act of trust we can all do?
Kill him!
You guys do, you
You
guys
no
do
pants trust.
fall?
You gotta take your trousers
Trust
off.
fall.
The trust fall. What's the trust
Where are
fall?
all the weapons on this map?
I don't
In the
know.
houses?
I don't think there are any.
Whoa.
Okay, Noble, trust
No,
fall.
there's plenty. I've got like
Okay.
room
You
full.
get to
Trust
the
fall.
bottom and catch me. Whoa!
Ow!
Okay, you're my buddy now.
I'm pretty sure somebody's shooting
Really?
at us.
You put me down to like...
God damn it, Agent! I couldn't catch you.
Stay here with me, Armel. I'll protect you now.
By the way, should probably tell Zombie this.
Grab a sniper rifle.
I don't know what's
You're the
going on.
detective. What the hell are you? You're supposed to be investigating.
Zombie, as the
It don't work in this one.
as the jester, you only die if
It's Rob.
McCloud!
if it's like a
It has
player
to be
kill.
Rob. Ow, 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 ow.
So
ow.
if you die by
Alright.
like an environment thing, then it
It
doesn't
has to
count
be
as
Rob.
win.
Rob's been shooting down
Okay.
at you guys.
Yeah, Rob's in the building. I don't know. With the blue
It's not
top
Rob.
on it.
It is Rob.
I'm trying to get on the roofs because I want to get the helicopter because it looks fun.
You're going to kill
Damn
me.
it! Rob is badly wounded. Take him out. Take him out quick.
I don't know where he is. I'm just going on an adventure.
Just
Thank you.
Now,
I was not.
I think it's
You
safe
know
to
I
say
wasn't
that
the
was
jester,
ghosting.
Armel.
No, it was not.
Yes!
Ghosting?
I have done it!
You made it to the helicopter. Now airlift out. Oh, Kyle's out here.
Kyle, away!
Someone's shooting at me!
Ow, and the sniper scopes don't work.
Shoot Kyle! Shoot Kyle!
Don't shoot Kyle! Don't shoot Kyle! I'm a good man in a helicopter trying to snipe people with...
Shoot down the helicopter. See if it explodes.
the sniper scopes don't work anymore, by the way.
I feel like I have been betrayed.
How do we get in the
And-
helicopter?
Custom models, basically you just set them to override in the server menu, so you'll keep your.
I'm throwing out my gun!
Do you have any ammo,
Kyle,
Kyle?
Yeah?
down here.
Hello.
Just need a screenshot. Now it's time for you to die.
Yeah.
Oh, don't kill me!
Blow up the helicopter.
Oh!
Go, my friend. I wonder.
Kyle, I want you to hold still for a second. Hold still. Look down. Look down. Keep looking down. I can't get a good shot. You have to wait for you to come back so you can get to look down.
It's about to turn the way it's going, so go that side.
Alright, look down. That wasn't good. That one sucked.
Incendiary!
Kyle, turn to your left.
This is my left.
Your other left.
Kyle, turn to your right.
Do the hokey
Hold
pokey.
Look down, Kyle. Look down right there. Oh, damn.
I'm looking!
Oh, were you a phoenix?
Yeah,
Oh, you were the
yeah.
phoenix.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, I don't feel.
Kyle, look at the
I would have
helicopter.
finished you off, and then you would have come back with full health.
Shit happens.
I can't look out the front.
Bug, I was your
No,
teammate.
the other thing. God damn it.
Kyle.
God damn it, Kyle.
Because you don't always come back.
It was the jester.
Wait, Bug killed your team. You killed your teammate for me? It's kind of,
Jason, move!
it's kind of
I
silly.
was the
Kyle,
traitor.
let's ride
Oh,
the
wow.
helicopter.
There's glass.
Agent is on the case.
Well, me and Kyle are innocent, I think.
Oh, well, I hope so. I know I am.
Excuse me,
Rob?
agent.
Rob, you're my deputy now.
That's the honey badger.
Okay, do you want me to shoot someone with the
Is the R-Strike a good gun?
Yeah,
Oh,
here
okay.
is your
Oh,
gold
ammo.
gun, Rob. Whoops.
Oh, yes, a thingy.
Bug?
No, no, I want you
Where'd
to
Noble go?
shoot McCloud. McCloud is
Oh,
your
it's
target.
okay, Bug, you're okay. You're one of us.
Yep, Bug is. I trust Bug with my life.
Where's
How did you
McCloud?
get up there?
Oh, everyone's here!
It is mine.
Noble shooting at everybody in the helicopter.
No.
I'm the only one
Kyle
here.
killed-
No, I didn't.
Kyle, you did. You took it from McCloud.
I didn't take anything.
Ah! What are you doing, Iron Wolf?
Survivalist.
I don't trust you. You don't even know how to crouch jump.
Iron Wolf, what are you doing? Back off!
I'm about to shoot detective for insulting me, but
Iron Wolf, what the hell are you doing? are you doing?
How did McCloud die?
I
are
don't.
you doing?
I don't know. I
Iron
think.
Wolf, what are you doing?
I'm a little bit confident
It's my
that
turn
the
on the right.
hitman
It's my
that
turn.
I
It's my
hired
turn.
to kill people is
Rob,
actually
why?
a traitor.
Because you died, how are you back?
I didn't die.
Well, you did now, bitch.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure my assassin is the traitor.
Hey, Bug, it's my turn!
No, I'm not, I'm your friend.
Wait for me.
It was saying it was a
Yeah,
prayer.
I did die.
Did you?
I fell out of the helicopter because I dropped a
Oh,
thing.
okay, you're in
Okay,
the
cool.
clear. I chose a good hitchman, actually.
Who do you want me to take out next?
Jason is your next target.
Oh, I like Jason.
Oh, okay.
What I'm
you
watching
like
now
to-
is hilarious.
You can take out,
No.
and zombie.
I just saw two idiots.
I killed him! I killed him!
No.
Yes, I killed him!
Rob, he
Stabbing
fell,
you.
or Noble, he fell out of the thing. You didn't kill him.
Yeah. I
No,
was
I-
stabbing him and he wouldn't die.
You
I
wouldn't
was-
die either, but
I was watching you from spectator, just violently swinging a knife at them, and they're both just
I'm
staring
like,
at
How is
you.
it not working?
So who was the other traitor?
Me.
Jason, move!
Well, you and who else?
And Zombie. By the way, McCloud died because he almost got to the chopper before I did. And that can't happen! So I had to end him.
Did I kill you, Bug? I wasn't sure if I was actually killing or not. It was too laggy in the helicopter.
It is a bit laggy, but
Yeah.
you did kill Bug.
Okay.
I can't find a gun.
Adventure!
Adventure friends.
Noble's trying to kill me.
Kyle, why are you trying to kill me, Kyle?
I'm not! You're trying to kill me!
Rob,
You
Rob
shot
has
at
a knife.
me!
I don't have a knife. I punched you.
Noble's trying to kill me. Noble's a traitor.
wait. Oh, why
I
did
am
you
not.
Done.
I can't
Guys,
find a
no-
gun either, Rob.
Guys, Noble is trying to kill me. He's
Oh,
the traitor.
you're the honey
Agent,
badger.
Agent, take this gun and shoot Rob.
Okay. You
no.
ready to
Why
accept
the
your
hell
fate,
did
Rob?
you shoot me, Bug?
You're not.
You-
gonna-
he
I-
didn't,
you're not
I
using the
did.
gun. All right.
Noble, I did. I shot you from the helicopter.
I start using the golden gun.
Hello, mein
Alright, can
friend.
you guys...
who shot him? Who shot him?
He has been punished.
That was a little
been
bit
punished.
clever. That was clever,
Rob, I was
Agent.
trying to save you.
You were trying to save me. I appreciate it greatly.
Oh, Jason's here.
Oh, we have a Jason?
We
Yes.
have a Jason.
Oh.
Jason, stop standing on me!
Hell yeah, Bug.
No. Door's open. There you go.
Kyle,
I
stay away
trust
from
you?
the helicopter.
You can trust me.
Kyle, stay away from the helicopter.
Oh,
Hell no.
that's a definite no.
Kyle, stay away from the
Oh,
helicopter.
Rob,
Hell
stop
no.
punching me.
Kyle, stay away from
Agent
the
was in a buy
helicopter.
menu.
Oh.
What?
Oh, hang on. Maybe he
How
wasn't.
could you?
Kyle, away!
Agent is the Phoenix. He's gonna come back though. Don't worry.
What? Ow! McCloud, why? I'm the survivalist! Stop it!
I
Stop
don't
it!
believe you.
I am am the survivalist!
Kill him!
Take his nuggets!
I don't believe you.
I don't believe you either!
Really? That's so rude.
I don't have a buy menu, Rob.
You do
Why
not
can't
have a
I
bad
hurt you?
menu.
To the person that killed me. That
But
was
luckily, I was the Phoenix and I survived. My plan was to blow you up with that thing.
Agent, help me kill Noble. He's a traitor.
I'm not a traitor, I'm a survivalist!
No,
What?
Agent, I need your help here.
I
That's what
don't have a
traitor
gun.
would say.
I do not have a gun.
Ah!
God damn it! I'm not. I swear I'm not. Ah!
Don't kill Jason. Jason's the jester.
It was McCloud. McCloud was a terrorist. That's all. Yo, I all believed him over me. He was a terrorist.
I mean, I had a reason to believe him over you.
Ah!
Keeps
I
ghosting.
think it's Bug.
It's not Bug. Bug's the
Who's
detective.
ghosting?
Oh, well.
Bug
Wait,
just
wait.
killed me.
Are you surprised?
Is it End Zombie?
No, it's not me. I did kill Arn Wolf though. I apologize for that. All I hear is sniping next to me in the bathroom. I walk up in there and I start shooting him. Yeah.
I was firing because somebody had shot at me and decided to get
Wait,
out of the
wait,
room.
Wait, what just
The
happened?
next round, I will help the terrorist. I will help the terrorist.
Everyone should know who the last terrorist is.
I
Yeah,
you
the
really
last
should.
round, the next round.
He
Next
panically
round.
shouted out who the jester was so you wouldn't kill him.
Whoa! Kyle! Kyle!
Yeah, the one that shouted, "Jason is the jester! Stop trying to end his life!"
Oh God, I can't believe how close the traitor
You
is.
are a friendly jester, Jason.
Helicopter time. Dun 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 dun.
dun.
Why?
Dun, dun,
No!
Helicopter time.
Mouse Phoenix.
No, I'm the traitor, dumbass.
God
Wait, how
damn
did you
it.
come back?
Second chance.
Jesus, you act as if this is a new thing, Noble.
It
Playing
is.
Noble and terrorists down.
God damn it.
Well, finally,
Yay.
Kyle did.
Good job.
Bug, Bug did the same thing as me. I jumped out of the helicopter onto that roof. It's okay, Bug. It was either you or me, or apparently Zombie,
I
because
wish I
he's still
had a
alive.
better gun than that stupid huge, but that was all I could find. You just
Oh yeah, because I guess there's only one map spawn.
Yeah, which is weird because this is a TTT map.
Hmm.
Which okay.
I just think it's hilarious that poor unfortunate Bug has died numerous times because of that.
Yeah, it's always bloody me and Bug.
Ooh, I am the Phoenix.
dying because of what?
You're a penis?
Yes.
Hey, hey!
Someone's
Really?
hitting me!
Really?
Oh, no, no!
Oh, damn it!
Man, that was
Wow,
fast.
wow, you almost killed me. Oh, you killed me.
What happened there?
Yeah, Arendelle, what was that?
I was the traitor and someone killed me.
Oh, well, I was
The
getting
other
like...
Oh, I'm hung!
I think I was like poisoned or something.
The other
I was going
traitor
down.
may have misread the traitor trap
Oh.
Ah, okay.
and not realized it.
Okay then.
Was it Noble?
No, it
No,
was me.
it was not.
I didn't read
What the?
what it would do. I thought I...
What the hell? I was just about to get in the chopper.
Did you just die, Kyle?
No, I was about to get in the chopper and it warped me back to map spawn.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, that sucks.
Ooh,
McCloud, no, please.
It's gone.
Please, McCloud.
What?
Yes, Bug. Please, leave, chopper. I want you.
Ow!
Whoa, what's going on?
Somebody
over there?
shot me! Somebody shot me! I
Kyle's
swear
heading
I've
for the
been...
helicopter!
Noble,
Kyle's
throw
at the
down your
helicopter.
weapons.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay.
Oh, Detective
There.
Jason.
It's down.
Jason, why?
Oh, come on! I picked him back up, hand. There. I'm in.
Who are you shooting at?
I wasn't shooting at anybody. Somebody shot at me. I'm really
Okay.
wounded.
You're good. Continue on, don't shoot me.
No.
I'm just gonna be
Hey,
in
I
here.
want to get on the helicopter.
Okay.
It's
Come back
okay.
here.
It's okay. I'm coming back around.
Really?
Um,
These
Okay, there's
special
a
weapons
dead
do
Noble.
like
What just
For
happened? What just
damage.
happened to whom?
Especially the Tech
Noble
9.
died inside a build. Kyle, are you killing people?
No, I'm on my way back.
I'm sorry.
I hear sandwich.
Oh my god!
I-
Someone just
What?
sniped Jason.
It's Agent.
Jason!
No,
What?
it's
What?
not.
I heard a sandwich and your hands are in your face.
McCloud, get in quickly!
It's Rob, it's Rob, it's Rob, it's Rob, it's Rob, it's Rob!
I'm here to get you out of here.
No, someone just said it was you.
Agent.
Is it you,
Bye,
Agent?
bud.
It's not me,
See
Rob.
you later.
Agent?
It's not me, Rob.
Were you eating a sandwich, Agent?
I was not eating a sandwich. You were eating a sandwich, Rob.
I haven't eaten a sandwich, Agent.
Kyle, what are you doing?
Oh my god,
Kyle! That was your fault.
Kyle.
no! I tried to push McCloud out of the building. Out of the helicopter.
Agent, why did you kill me?
I
You
did
didn't
not kill
either.
you.
Yeah, you did.
I did not kill you.
No,
Yeah, you did.
Rob
Agent,
did.
why did you kill him?
Who was eating
It
the
was
sandwich?
Rob.
Jason was
No,
eating the
I-
sandwich, and I exploded him.
Oh, poor Bug died on spawn again. Wow, why does that keep happening?
Because it's the same spawn.
Jason, move!
Noble, why do you think I
Lord
killed you?
Because you were right in front of me at that
I
minute.
did not kill you.
Right, still no gun. This is excellent.
It's Jason
Fuck.
Bourne time.
Bug,
I'll just take this.
bug,
It's porn.
come back here.
Jason
Fuck.
Bourne.
Bug.
I think it's Noble's way of trying to say that he's
You're not
going to
coming
attempt to be
Kyle, wait!
badass.
No! God damn it, Kyle!
Bye, Noble.
I'm gonna
Noble's
shoot
not a
kill you!
badass.
Noble,
I said,
you can't
"Do not
kill
go in
me.
Here. You pulled out a gun.
God damn it, Kyle.
Kyle,
What are you doing?
No! Stay away!
Oh, you've got a
Noble.
golden gun. Shoot me, Jason. Not Jason, folks.
Whoa!
Oh,
Bug,
What?
wait. you missed.
Kyle, why did you do that?
that's a bit
What
suspect.
I do what?
Hey, Rob. Rob, hey, you! Rob!
Ow!
Stop
Ow!
it!
Ow! Ow!
Oh,
Rob, stop it!
I won't shoot you this time.
Noble,
Don't,
did you just shoot me?
Rob. I'm going to have
No,
to
I did
ask
not
you.
shoot you!
Rob, I'm going to have to ask you to not kill Noble
Rob,
Wolf this
what did you
round.
do? Ow!
What are you
Don't.
shooting at me for?
Noble's the jester. Stop shooting him!
Yes!
God damn it, guys!
I was doing so good. I knifed Bug right behind his back. It was so good.
Wait, you knifed Bug? He didn't die
I
on spawn?
knifed him. No,
No,
I knifed
when you
him
die
so
at
good.
spawn, you come back.
Oh, right.
I'm sorry, Bug. I cannot control him. He is a zombie. And as you know, zombies like using knives.
Ooh, I love my knives.
Oh my god, I'm actually not the traitor for once!
So that tells us that you've been the traitor almost every round.
Almost
It was last
every
round.
single one!
Yeah.
Kyle, I want to join you on the
Everybody kill
helicopter,
Kyle.
please.
Everybody
Please,
kill Kyle.
please, Kyle, don't leave.
Please don't leave, Kyle. Please, wait, please let me go! Ah!
Whoa, whoa, someone's shooting us!
Somebody's shooting at us.
Ow!
Don't be alarmed.
Oh,
Hi,
oh!
Agent.
Hi. I'm out
Hi.
of your fight.
Hi. I heard the door open and I freaked out.
Wow, this is just... So, guys,
Just through the packet. Oh man, you
There
are
we go.
ridiculously
guys,
loud.
I got one of the traitors. It was McCloud. He was trying to kill me in the helicopter.
Well, I'm being shot. I'm being
That
shot.
stupid sniper pistol isn't powerful enough.
Yeah, no, it just wouldn't do damage.
Kyle, shoot the barrel. Kyle, oh shit!
Oh,
Noble.
God damn it!
Noble. I accept my fate.
Sorry.
Noble.
I'm
How
sorry,
did you
Jason.
damage me though? I was damaged.
I
Come
shot
back,
you.
come back.
You shot the barrel, Kyle.
No, I didn't shoot the barrel. I shot you. That's how you took damage.
Kyle, you idiot!
It's your fault. You shot him.
You shot me.
Everyone shoots you.
Then I thought, oh god, he's shooting at me, and then I'm like,
No.
I don't shoot Noble unless I have a good reason.
Well,
ow.
Agent, you're weird.
Hey,
then.
That's my shotgun. That's my shotgun. Drop it.
Oh, God, Kordak, you are-
I don't care. Drop it. It's my shotgun.
Kordak, you are
Ridiculously
very loud.
Let me find a different
God.
gun. Find me a better gun, and I will give it to you.
Phoenix.
You get the sniper rifle.
Oh,
I don't want the sniper rifle. I want something else. I am the detective. Oh, here we go. Ow! There.
Yay.
Kill zombie.
Now, how do I detect
Hi.
things?
Please don't commit. Oh,
Oh, great. We're in good hands. How do I detect it?
I'll just walk out of here.
Kordak, are you using a new
That's a
mic?
good
Because you
plan.
are very, very loud.
No, I'm using my
From the
same mic.
survivalist.
I shouldn't be that loud.
Whoa! Kyle, are you trying to kill me?
No? Hold on, I'm gonna turn
Kyle?
Kordak down a bit.
Kyle, tell me,
Yeah.
tell me the truth.
I
Kyle.
don't know why my mic is suddenly so loud.
You are at 200% volume for me.
Alright. You guys have at each other.
Kyle, if you tell me right now that you were trying to kill me, I will forgive you.
I wasn't.
You guys have it at each other. I'll be in here.
And is
How
here
is
the helicopter?
quality of my mic?
Pretty bad. Whoa!
Maybe it's using the wrong one. Let me check.
Oh, there you go. It's not better now.
Rob, what are you doing?
I didn't
You
do
shot
anything.
me.
Huh.
You shot at me.
I shot you after you shot at me.
Maybe it's just because I turned the volume down. Maybe I just had it up for some reason.
God damn it.
Alright, I'm gonna take off for the night.
Alright. Good night,
I think
zombie!
See you later,
Good playing with you
zombie.
guys.
Nice
See ya,
job.
zombie. It was fun.
I just saw the jester get sniped.
Damn it.
I win!